Okay, we've got a baked Alaska happening here. First, I softened some ice cream and I put it in this bowl, which is lined with plastic, so hopefully it'll come out pretty easily. And I refroze that so it'll hold its shape really well. And then I put on the base, which could be a piece of cake or whatever. In this case, we're using cinnamon donuts because why not? And I am going to flip this onto a plate. Should be pretty easy because it's going to stay in the bowl. Okay, so this is Swiss meringue, which is different from regular meringue because you warm up the eggs and the sugar first in a double boiler type situation. Then you put it onto your stand mixer and whip it up, and you can see it's really beautifully stiff. It's glossy, and it's really yummy too. Now I am just going to pipe on my Swiss meringue.